35,000 visitors, 520 plus exhibitors, over 30,000 square meters of cutting-edge manufacturing innovation, and an estimated 980 crore in business generated. Acmee 2025 wasn't just an exhibition, was a movement, a celebration of scale, substance, and the spirit of Indian engineering. Held from the 19th of June to 23rd, 2025 at the Chennai Trade Centre, the 16th edition of the show reaffirmed India's stature in the global industrial arena. Inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Thiru Stalin, in the presence of senior ministers and industry leaders, Acmee 2025 underscored Tamil Nadu's vision to become a leading hub for advanced manufacturing, precision engineering, and industrial innovation. Organized by the Ambattur Industrial Estate Manufacturers Association AIEMA, this was the 16th edition of the event, further reinforcing their commitment to showcase the latest in technology and the best practices of the industry.
I'm very happy with 2025. I have personally met all the exhibitors and the visitors. They have said that it is a fantastic show. It is a very good show. It's a world-class show.
Acmee, over the years, have built up a very good rapport with the exhibitors who come repeatedly for every edition of Acmee. This rapport has helped us to grow from a very small exhibition in 1994 to such a large scale in 2025.
It is going at leaps and bounds. The energy level I could see, the teamwork I'm seeing with the AIEMA members and Acmee committee is enormous. The way every exhibition, this exhibit center is increasing their capacity, adding new buildings, and it's mainly because of Acmee pressure to the state government of Tamil Nadu. And I'm feeling very happy that they are growing and growing and growing. And I think one day they'll come equivalent to MTech's exhibition. The way they are conducting, they are improving their organizing structure.
In the last 4 years, especially the market in Tamil Nadu and in Chennai areas have really exploded into a fast-paced development, and Acmee becomes far more important to us. And more important than that is the way Acmee is conducted. It's hosted by a group of industrialists who know the pulse of the industry and what exactly is to be showcased and how it's to be done. So for us, it's a very important trade fair to be in.
We are part of Bharti Limited. We've been part of Acmee for many years. It's been a great show so far. There's been a lot of customers, and South being predominantly one of the key areas of industry today and development. We are happy to be here.
I would say it has really reached a world-class stage. The infrastructure here is fabulous. The footfall is fantastic. And as more and more Indian manufacturing advances, such very strong and powerful regional shows adds a lot of values to its customer as well as the exhibitors here.
The show floor reflected this ambition, featuring world-class exhibits across machine tools, robotics, industrial automation, additive manufacturing, and smart factory solutions.
This time we have taken a much bigger, I think one of the bigger stalls that normally we take. And the sole purpose was to, have more and more serious interactions. And we are happy about our investment here.
We have got the genuine customers coming over here. It has been very well organized, and the new building and the old building together makes it a very, very nice, comprehensive package. But a lot of people are participating and a lot of products have been exhibited. And it's a very good platform for a buyer-seller meet, where you have real, genuine customers coming here who are interested in your product, and that's going to help both the customer and the supplier.
Acmee exhibition response is really thrilling, and we have met many customers who are new into this industry, and they are very much appreciating our display of the machine. with automation.
Participating in Acmee Chennai exhibition first time. It's a really nice place to exhibit the machines and take advantage of.
16 countries were represented, each bringing global technologies to the Indian market.
Our 3D modeling software Compass 3D here in Chennai Trade Centre, and we find the exhibition to be very productive, get a lot of networking, a lot of potential partners and clients, so thank you for welcoming us here.
It was our first presence here in Chennai, but the attendance of the people was very good. Okay, we have a good feedback for the customer, for leads that visit us.
It's a very good show. So many people join this and take visit our booth. I think it's very useful to have a very good experience here.
With its international scale and business depth, Acmee 2025 stood shoulder to shoulder with the world's finest manufacturing expos, drawing trade delegations, technology buyers, and decision makers in record numbers.
Truly wonderful to see in our own Chennai city representation of not only Indian small MSMEs but also global manufacturing giants who contribute to industry worldwide.
At its core, the show celebrated innovation. A dynamic startup and innovation zone brought together future-focused enterprises, engineering colleges, and research-driven ideas where students and young entrepreneurs demonstrated breakthrough solutions and prototypes with real-world potential.
And this is a place where we can express our technological support and attract the industry people over here. And here are with our colleagues and students who are here to understand our various expressions which have been made here. This platform made us very great exposure to reach out for various manufacturing companies.
Acmee 2025 also showcased a concurrent international conference on automation and robotics technology, Art Tech 2025, covering a vast array of technologies and solutions, equipping professionals and students with tools for Industry 4.0 readiness. There was also participation from MSMEs, PSUs, and government agencies.
It is really very well organized, and every vendors have got good opportunities to show their products, and they can also get their requirements through this wonderful event.
The show is really excellent now in terms of the displays, the people taking part here, the Integral Coach Factory, all the government organizations have taken part. So it's a huge lift from the previous shows.
And very quantitative discussion, and we could see everyone in the whole Ambattur industrial area. Plus we had seen a lot of people from defense here, and it was a fantastic experience.
With over 980 crore in business generated, Acmee 2025 proved that India is not just building for today but engineering the future. And Tamil Nadu is proudly leading that charge.
We can get all the feedback, technical details and the commercial details, everything we can get the feedback from here. We can identify whatever we need, industrial purpose and the commercial purpose, and business purpose also we can get all the details from Acmee.
So this is all overall very good experience. I hope I can also make some good business using this opportunity.
See you at Acmee 2027, bigger, bolder, and even more transformative.